Today, we're diving into the Seasonic ARCHQ503+Connect750, a standout combination of a PC case and a power supply unit. This package is powered by the Seasonic Prime 750W 80+ Gold certified power supply. Achieving 80+ Gold certification means it delivers 90% efficiency at 50% system load, which is exceptional for energy saving and performance optimization. One of the highlights of this combo is the top quality 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan. This fan is not only quiet but also highly efficient, ensuring your system remains cool under heavy loads. Paired with premium hybrid fan control, it provides a seamless balance between cooling performance and silent operation. When your system is running at low loads, the fan can even stop completely, reducing noise to zero. The most innovative feature of this package is the Seasonic Connect backplane. Mounted on the PC case with magnets, it revolutionizes cable management. By centralizing all connections to one hub, it minimizes the number of cables needed inside the case, significantly improving airflow. This results in a cleaner, more organized build, and enhances the cooling efficiency of your system. Seasonic's attention to detail is evident in the Prime Gold series power supply. It is designed for high-performance systems, delivering a stable and reliable 750 watts of power. The ATX connector type ensures compatibility with a wide range of personal computer builds, making it a versatile choice for both new and existing systems. In summary, the Seasonic ARCHQ503+Connect750 is a remarkable integration of a high-quality PC case and a top-tier power supply. Its innovative cable management system, coupled with the high efficiency of the Prime Gold series power supply, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. The efficient cooling solutions and streamlined design set it apart as one of the best options available in the market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.